So while the portfolio is red right now, while things are down, while our spirits are down, while the fear factor is very high, while the anxiety level is extremely, as high as it could be, one tends to think, what should be an action plan? What should be the way forward? What should we do? What should we do so that we come out of this situation? A portfolio has the least amount of damage, and whatever damage it has, it is recovered, and then we again become positive. We come into the green again. We start enjoying the green color again. So now a couple of things that I would think that I would want to do personally, and I would like to tell all my friends and people who follow me that these are some of the things that you can think about doing, right? See, normally what happens is this, okay? If you're in a mutual fund first, let's talk about mutual fund, okay? That's the simplest. Or for example, if you're in a portfolio management strategy, or if you're an AIF, or if you're into any managed strategy where you are not taking any decisions yourself, okay? Where it's not DIY. You've employed some professionals to do this portfolio management activity for you. Now, when you have that situation, that's the easiest thing. You could even safely do nothing if you like, okay? And you could leave it to the professionals and they will take their calls. Because you see, it's very important that to be able to show that their performance is the best, they are also into a competitive arena. So they will do what is best for them, and they will do, the best that is there for their portfolio, right? So very simple, okay? Just focus on what you have in front of you, okay? And let the fund manager do his job, okay? So you don't need to worry about it.